Well, how would you like to have a place at beautiful Hudson Yards? Because now that this apartment is on the market, it could be in the cards. It's got a washer and dryer and beautiful hardwood floors. So just reach out to Kim Hastie and this apartment could be yours. So come see this apartment, it's the greatest one around. With an open floor plan and a home office, you'll be the envy of all the town. So check out this 2-bed, 2-bath by giving this number a call. And come see this apartment, I know you'll have a ball.